free. So much pressure.
Not surprisingly, there's a huge crowd for the meeting of these two sides. Team lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Headed on. He mistimed his run. He's well offside. Now Ramos. Alisson collects. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. It's Messi. Top class finish there. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Few fancied them to win today, but they've taken the lead with that goal. Alisson collects. Oh dear, the goalkeeper's given the referee a decision to make. And the first player to end up in the book today, the first of many I'd expect. That chance has gone. He should be hitting the target. Let's have another look. How out of character. He normally buries those. Finds his teammate. Mbappe. Oh, that was not. Referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. We all know what this player can do from this kind of set piece. That's nicely played. Good ball. Here's Mane. Is this the moment? Oh, they've drawn level. So easy from that range. What a simple goal. Let's see that one again. And it's anyone's bet which way this one will go now. Played back to the goalkeeper. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper. He's headed the ball forward. Now it's Griezmann. Good distribution. Really good possession here. That's good link-up play. Passed well. It's Messi with the ball. Ramos tackles. We're into time added on now. Oh, and dispossessed there. It's half-time and a chance for the managers to do their work. Second half underway, all to play for, and both teams more than capable of winning this, and that's lofted upfield. He mistimed his run, he's well offside. The goalkeeper plays it to his teammate. Here's Varane. Good possession. Now it's Griezmann. Alisson collects. And it's cleared by Varane. Back to the keeper. It's with the striker now. Quality defending there. Alexander-Arnold. on the ball. Well cut out. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Oh, he shoots. And that is a fantastic goal. The replay will give us a closer look. Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal. Allison collects. And it's back to the keeper. Sterling. Great chance here. Here's the shot, and it's a goal. They've drawn level. That's his second goal. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. And it's level. Determined work from the player and his team to get them back into the game. Defenders are looking to the assistant with the flag. Lovely finish, and surely that's what it was. 2 goals today from this exciting player. And here's the build-up to that great goal. Will there be some late drama today? Now Ramos.